See him? Dead center. There's a couple of them stacked right there, dead center between those trees. One's looking away, one's looking down here. This stuff comes all the way down. Look at how fresh all the brakes are around there too. Look at that. That one too. Actually a whole bunch. Look, they come all the way down here. It looks like there's been heavy traffic down here too. I'm just trying to make my way, kind of backtrack down there a little bit. See if I can backtrack through the creek. I know I told you guys it would go up and around. I think I might have found a way up this side at least. It's gonna take a little finesse. Really, it's gonna take a lot of time, so when it ain't too hot, because I gotta walk where I'm gonna have to park. The only downfall to this spot is the bugs are ruthless. I never can really stay here too long because I gotta park like in the street, which is just... It's like a real country-ass road, so it ain't a big deal, but I don't want to go too far from it. Look at that. That's trashed up there. This whole section is just torn apart. It looks like a twister came through, like right just in that section. Yeah. Might be a fox, but it's something squealing back here. I think the baby fox are called kits. I think not 100 on that. I'm getting eaten alive. It's a little different here this time of day. It's like close to sunset. Probably like another hour. You can see a lot more when the sun ain't beaming in here. Alright, sorry guys, I'm trying to video on like swinging at bugs and trying to blow them off the screen and blow them off my hands and my legs. It's just ridiculous. So I was planning on going up and around at some point anyway, but it was cool to hear your feedback. A couple of you replied that you'd like to see it. See what's up and back there. It's had my curiosity for a while, but it took me a little while to find any sort of trail that goes up. And there is a game trail that at least I see it makes its way at least halfway up that side, but I have to go all the way down. I have to backtrack all the way down. I'm gonna try and park on the side where there was like some farming equipment. I just hope nobody screws with it. Now that noise is coming from over here. Could be frogs. I mean, there's a bunch of different types of frogs in here, so I'm sure I ain't seen every one that's in here. I'm sure I don't know every noise they make. Anyway, the start of this was cool. At least I think so. Hopefully you guys can pick out what I was trying to show you. If anyone has trouble seeing it, which I doubt you will, but if you do, I could always like screen grab and circle, whatever. I see there's a big farm across, and it's just country as hell over here. Even though there's a road right here, it's like this. It's crazy. It's crazy. I come here all the time, and there's nobody here ever. At first, I thought there was gonna be people here a lot because of this trail, but it's not. It's not a. Shit ain't from people. At least I don't think so. Alright guys, as always, thank you. Quick short video, 10 minutes in and out. I'm gonna hang out for a while though. I'll catch you on the next one.